Hello and welcome to Beer and Philosophy. Cheers. I wasn't quite sure which topic to talk about first here. I think what I'm going to talk about is intersectionality. Now, there are many people who view that as a bit of a dirty word. And I have to say, I don't know, I agree with the concept. So here's how I understand it. The idea that all of us have different aspects of our social identity. And that's relevant to our experience of the world, that it's relevant to how we view ourselves, how others view us, how we're treated, how we treat ourselves. It doesn't mean it's the be-all and end-all. I think some of the critiques are around the idea of it being like a group identity, that I kind of view myself as part of a team based on some of these personal identities. And, I think there are some ways in which that could be worrisome, unhelpful, unwise. And, some ways in which it could be helpful actually to gather together with like-minded folks or folks who have similar experiences. So again, as usual, it's nuanced. Okay, so this idea that we all have different aspects of our personal identity and that is relevant to our experience in the world. To the extent that that's what intersectionality means, which is my understanding, it seems difficult to disagree with that. For example, me being male makes a difference on how I experience the world. Now, to what degree? I think some people do kind of maybe overemphasize the degree to which that affects my experience, and yet those who claim it makes no difference are misguided. So anyway, we can discuss further if people are interested. We can come back and explore this issue again. But I just wanted to kind of plant a flag to say that, as a general rule, I agree with the idea of intersectionality. Now, its application to various whatever endeavors, which we may get into in a bit, I may or may not agree with its application in a given instance. However, I do agree with the philosophical underpinnings. So.